flood warning in effect from Wednesday morning until further notice. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Cache River near Patterson. When? From Wednesday morning until further notice. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, low swampy timberland along the river begins to flood. Floodgates should be closed and equipment moved out of the low grounds along the river and tributaries. Additional details: at 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 7.8 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late Wednesday morning and continue rising to a crest of 9.5 feet Thursday evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood